Gmail is one of the most important elements in today's online world. By having a Gmail account, you can do many things. One of them by using Gmail for business. So, in this video, I will explain how to create a new Gmail account without having to verify your phone number. Make sure you watch this video to the end and hit the subscribe button. First step. Open the Google application on your cell phone. In this tutorial I'm using an Android phone, so maybe there will be a difference if you use an iPhone. Second step. Click on your profile photo in the top right corner. As you can see here, I already have several Gmail accounts that I created without needing to verify a phone number. But sorry, I can't show it to you because this is related to privacy. Third step. Click Add another account, then tap on Gmail account. If your cell phone uses a lock screen, then you are required to enter your lock screen code in order to continue the process of creating a Gmail account. I apologize, in this section my cell phone responds to turn off screen recording as a form of security protection. Fourth step. Click Create Account and choose for myself. Fifth step. Enter your first name and last name. For data entry, you can use your real data or use your business name. Last name is optional, so it can be filled in or not. Sixth step. Enter your date of birth and gender. Seventh step. You can choose a Gmail address that has been suggested, but if there is nothing interesting you can also customize it according to your interests. Eighth step. Enter a unique and strong password with a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure it's easy for you to remember the password. Ninth step. This is the most important part. Just scroll down and select Skip. If you choose to add a cell phone number, then you will be asked to enter a verification code. So I suggest you just skip it. 10th step. Review whether the Gmail address is correct, then click Next. Last step. Scroll down and click I agree. Now your Gmail account is active and ready to use. Don't forget to watch your video on the right side of this video.